shine all week. Goosebumps every time we speak. Wanna make a meal like Neek. Big boy can't put me in the league. Big boy, I can flex off beat. Big boy, I ain't even got a tweet. Yeah, cause I'm always trending. Like the avatar, yeah, I stay blending. Only difference is I ain't got a blend.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my video. So it is a room tour. Yeah, by the title you saw the title already. It is a room tour. This is the view to my room when you open the room. To the left side I have my wardrobe and the back of the door where I hang my bags and random stuff. My wardrobe, I have my clothes where I put my panties, which is like I can't open it. This is where I put my socks and other stuff. This is where I put my folded clothes, my jeans, my trousers and my homeware, my tops and my skirts and my gown. So to my right I have my bed space and my vanity, my dresser. On top I have my perf cream, and I so much love this mirror. I love the detail. So the first wardrobe, the first drawer rather, I have my makeup, foundation, eyelashes, powder, anything for the face, you know, you gotta beat the face. So to the second one I have my jewelries, my wristwatch. To the third one I have my drugs, my skincare, and to the last one I have my paperwork, my, you know, ladies. So that's what about the vanity. And I have my ring light where I can mount my phone and, you know, change the light when I want to do my makeup. Yeah. And to my cute little bed space. Yeah, I love it. It's so small, portable, my size. I love it so much. And yeah, that is it. This is where I sleep, this is where I dream. And I have my laptop on it, my content book and my glasses. So to the front of the vanity I have mirror. Hey, hello, and here to my right side I have my scarves collection. From I arranged them according to their texture, according to their material. That's how I arranged them. This is my window blind. I love the texture so much, and where I'm pointing to, I'm planning on putting plants where the two sides and a picture frame above my bed. And this is my bedside, which I have plants and my water bottle on top. And to the first one I have where I put my glasses, my 3D. This is my glass, my 3D for the cinema. And the second one I have where I drop my coins and my random stuff, my wires, you know, just random stuff. And yeah, that is all about this side. And this is all about my room, my mini room tour. Hey, say hi to my ring light. So this is all about my room tour, my mini room tour. Yeah, it's heels. Yeah, I'm blocking my camera, like my laptop camera, because someone might be watching me. It's a lie. So this is all about my room tour. This is all about my room, my mini room, which I'm loving so much. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Stay well, stay awesome, and always be the best of yourself. And see you in my next video.